How to replace ink cartridges in HP Deskjet 1000 printer series. If the ink cartridges in your printer are running low or are out of ink, replace them with new, genuine HP ink cartridges. Press the power button to turn on the printer. Load paper into the paper tray. On the front of the printer, open the cartridge access door. Wait for the print carriage to move to the center of the printer and stop. Once the carriage is idle and silent, gently press down on the ink cartridge to disengage it, and then pull the cartridge out of its slot. Remove the new cartridge from its packaging and remove the tape from the cartridge contacts using the pull tab. Caution: do not touch the copper-colored contacts or the ink nozzles on the cartridge. Handling these parts can result in clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Slide the new ink cartridge into its corresponding slot until it snaps into place. Repeat these steps to replace the other ink cartridge if necessary. When you are finished loading cartridges, close the cartridge access door and then close the front door. Note: the printer prompts you to align the cartridges when you print a document after installing a new cartridge. Follow the instructions to complete the alignment. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.